Style is very important for lifestyle, for luxury lifestyle. I saw Isha Homes Riverfront in the heart of city, Nandambakkam, Chennai.
Isha Homes presents Isha River Front, Nandambakkam, peaceful river living near the center of the city.
Very near to L&T, DLFIT Park, metro station and airport.
Luxury 3 BHK apartment, 1 crore 43 lakh rupee.
Prime location, luxury amenities, but reasonable price. That's Isha River Front.
Chennai Trade Center, Metro Station, DLFIT Park, MIOT Hospital, Airport, all prime spots very nearby.
Isha, easy living for everyone. Isha Homes, beautiful riverview apartments, surrounded by nature. For your future.
For bookings, call 99160 59362.
Why are you waiting? Limited period offer. Grab it.